Recently, I've had more clients asking about Matterport. Matterport are definitely putting out some more advertising just now, and they're also saying that you can now do some of the Matterport virtual tours in with an iPhone now, which sounds fantastic. It's offering like a free service at the start to do like your first one, so you're in the Matterport system, which sounds good. But I've just come across an example of one where this is the reason why I don't think Matterport is, or the virtual 360 tours are quite ready yet. So this, from what I've been told by the person that made it, is that it was done with their high-end camera. So their high-end is the Matterport 2, which is about a £3,000 pound or I think it's still pounds dollar camera, which does the full kind of 3D. It rotates for you and all that kind of stuff. So we've got this pretty cool house. I think it's pretty good, but then it just all starts going a little bit wrong. Let's see when we try and do some stairs. So first of all, there's some weird. Did you see that? There's like a random block going on there. Woo! We kind of went through it, so that's a bit of a weird thing. Something which I have no idea how in editing afterwards you could sort that out. Now, if we try and go up the stairs, all went a little bit fuzzy there. If we try and go to these stairs, back down. Okay, let's go down the stairs. That's looking fine. Definitely like this more than the other 360 ways, but then you look at the kind of quality going on in the corners here. It really hasn't done it very well, and it's just there's bits all over the place. Here, wall. There's like a double wall going on. That clearly hasn't worked. Let's see into their. Can we go into their bathroom? Have they done a shot in here? Yeah, no, that's looking fine. But let's try and get up the stairs. I want to get up the stairs. Ooh, no, cars. Hello, cars. Okay, upstairs, upstairs. We're doing well. Nope, failed. Back up. Nope, didn't work. Hold on. You've really got to go step by step. Right, upstairs. Here we go. Can we go straight up there? Yes, we can. Looking pretty good up here. Very nice house. This is, I think, a £2 million house. So happy with that. Let's go. Whoa, okay. You think there might be something to stop you going through the floor. Looking good over here. It is very strange. So there's definitely been some flaws going on whenever they've been creating this. See, they're just going straight through the floor again. Didn't mean that. But again, it's not a problem. But if we look at the dollhouse that we've got here. Oh, where's the dollhouse? This dollhouse is missing so much information. In fact, this helps you see why I was going through floors. Whoa, if you click, for some reason, it's missed so much. Like you're going to the living room there, and we're seeing through the floor into the floor below. There. Same over here. That table's just gone crazy. Can we back out? Let's see the floor selector, or just the normal floor plan. Dollhouse. There's just a lot of information just completely missing. Let's see. Let's go down to the next floor. There's just like random bits of wall, darkness, areas. Let's go to top floor. What is going on here? If you're looking for the top floor of the dollhouse, and it's how has it missed that much information? So this person has clearly gone round, done what is required, and they've shot absolutely everything. But like, if that's your floor plan, that hasn't worked. Second floor, can't make anything out there, and ground floor is at a completely different angle. This is massively failed. But yet, you know, the individual photos look okay. If I click up there, woo, through the floor we go. Yeah, it's so yeah. Again, something which this person has clearly gone around, done everything that is required of them, but the software or the hardware has failed them. So yeah, and again, if you are somebody that's just through the floor I went, if you're just somebody who's just saying, hey, it looks so easy, I'll buy it, and then they go, you need to fix all this stuff, not a clue how you do that. And when the floor plan looks as bad as that, and then completely wonky like that, if I was a customer, I'd be requesting that to be shot again and fixed.